We'll use the fan dashboard. Okay, after that we change in the control to hello. Hey, I'm sorry, hello, like this. After you change, yeah, okay, like this. Yeah, and maybe you will ask how communicate controller and view. Everything is managed by code editor in the system. Yeah, the core database and how to route, how to communicate. Yeah, I not discuss or present to you about the root and code editor process all of the system. Okay, the welcome is controller. You can create anything, and then the next is view. Your website will be view in this folder view. Use controller to manage how the file index and how if you have open another page you must control or manage in the controller. For example, function welcome. So this dot view welcome messages like this. So you can open the first is a first routing. Yeah, welcome has depreciate constructor. Oh, we have error in the 27. Yeah, this. Oh, cannot use this. Yeah, coba. Yeah, okay. Yeah, if you add one you must be go to the text index and coba like this. Yeah, okay. Coba not already. Oh, not public. Yeah, like this. Coba. Oh, cannot open already this dot view. Oh, I'm sorry. Welcome. And the true structure if you open is like this index and to control welcome and open the coba. Yeah, like this. But if you just welcome, yeah, okay, like this. Yeah, controller and view have communication like that. So I will show to you about how to implement the bootstrap or your web in the code igniter. Okay, I will present to you about with the bootstrap file. Okay guys, the next step is I will show you about bootstrap implement to the code editor. The first we must download bootstrap. I use bootstrap.com themes and files, and I try to use this file and click to free download, start download, and open the folder. This open and then extract here. Then we get the file like that, and then we have asset. The first is asset, second JS. Okay, I recommended to add the CSS and JS to the asset folder. After that, copy all to the local. Learning directory asset, paste in this place and index paste in the view like that. Yeah, like that. Okay, after that go to the notepad or Visual Studio Code and you get the file we index, yeah, like that. And then you can change the file to PXP and add one file about this in the top. Yeah, after that go to the config auto logout. Okay guys, because we use URL to connection from the index PXP to the asset in the out of the application file, and how to link to the asset directory, we must add one in the helper array about URL like this, just like this, and then go to in the index PXP and you find the file communicate with the file CSS, for example like this, and please the add the base URL echo base URL and like this. Yeah, and please add asset like this. Oh sorry, yeah, and add again all of file when communicate with the asset. This is also, yeah, like this. Like this, all of them. Yeah, oh, it will be done again. Yeah, next, fine. And then the next is where this format. Yeah, and go to the welcome controller and index, just change to that like that. Okay, go to the browser. This 1 2 3. Oh, is, oh yeah, I forget about the config this and config about this. Yeah, you must change to local host underscore the name of directory learning CE like that. And yeah, congratulations, you can get the file. Okay, if you have any question, please give comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and take your the another question if you have request, please give request in the comment. Thank you. Good morning, because morning is will be pray subuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.